In today's video, I'm gonna be showing you how to schedule recording in OBS Studio. First of all, we have to install this Scene Switcher plugin in our OBS. So all you have to need, you get this GitHub download link on my video description box. Just come to this page and here scroll down and under Assist, here you will find this Windows 64 installer.exe file. So all you have to need, click here to download the installer. Once it's successfully downloaded, go to your download folder and here you will find your advanced scene switcher. Just launch it, click on yes and go ahead and install this plugin on your PC. Once it's successfully installed, go to your OBS and you have to relaunch the OBS Studio. And now click on Tools and here you will find this advanced scene switcher through the plugin. So click on that and here first of all you have to select macro option. In macro we will create a new macro. So click on this plus icon and macro name I'm typing here recording and clicking on OK. Now select the recording macro and here click on this plus icon. And here select if, then click on the scene drop down. Now from this list we have to select date and click on this any day and here I'm selecting a date. So I'm selecting Monday and here select add and here you have to select the scheduling time. So in my case I'm selecting here 10:50 for example. Or you can just increase or decrease your time from here just like this. You can also click on show advanced settings and here you can enable repeat every day option. So I'm just showing simple mode and now click on this box and here select this plus icon and here click on this drop down and select recording and click on stop recording drop down and select start recording. So you have to follow my all steps here very carefully. If date Monday at 10:50, then my recording will start. Okay, now I'm just clicking on general and here make sure the macro is running or active. Now close this. Now it's time to wait for 10:50 a.m. or I'm just changing this time to 10:48 and let's wait for the time. And as you can see, my OBS Studio is now automatically recording. So that's how you can actually schedule OBS recording very easily. Thanks for watching.